Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be taking you through a hairstyling look. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I have just discovered a few ways of hairstyling which work well for me, and I'm just sharing those with you. A few months ago, I had shown you how to blow dry and set your hair at home. The link of that video is here. Today I'll be doing something different. Of course, I'll be styling my hair again, but the look is a little different from what it was earlier. As you can see, my ends are all curled up and the front section is pretty straight. I like this hairstyle primarily because it gives me good volume and it works very well with my face structure. Okay, so I'll just show you all that you need for this hairstyling technique. One is your heat protection spray. I always use this before I style my hair because you have like these really hot equipments coming in contact with your hair, and protecting your hair is important, so I always spray this. Second is this hairstyling spray. This is something that I use towards the end. So there are two equipments which you need to get this look. The first one is this curling tong. It's a hair curler. I have this one by Philips. It's really old. I want to change it, and those of you who follow my Insta stories know which one I'm eyeing. And the second equipment that I need is this hair straightener. And of course you need your other basics like your comb, your hairbrush, and a few clips for sectioning. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just apply the heat protection spray everywhere. Like I said, I always apply this because these equipments like your straightener and your curlers and all, they're really hot and they can damage your hair. So always apply this. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is section my hair as per my convenience. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the section of my crown and just tie it up with a hairband. And of course I'm just going to comb this section out gently and just make like a few workable divisions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply the spray a little more and start curling my hair with these tongs. I had switched the tongs on a while ago, so they're really hot. So yeah, whenever you use, please be very careful because you could just burn yourself if you're not careful. And the way to do it is just keep it here like this and just roll it upwards. Whatever is left behind, you can just sort of go over it. Okay, so now my hair are like all wrapped up around that tong. Now how do you know that it's a good time to release it is you just touch a little here and see how hot it is. Don't burn yourself, please be very careful. Just see, and the second I feel it's hot enough, I just release it like this. You can go a little upwards also, but I just want to stop it here. Now I'll take the other section. I'm going to just comb my hair, apply some of that spray again, take my tong, put it this way and curl it upwards. You see? Yep. Now I'm just going to hold it for a while. And then I'm just going to touch it and see how hot it is. It should be like just hot enough. You don't want to burn your hair, you don't want to burn your fingers, so be very, very careful. Okay, now I think it's hot enough, so I'll just quickly press this and release it. Yep. I'll just show you for one last time and then yeah, we'll forward the whole thing. So I've applied my spray. I think the section behind is a little thick, so I'll have to again divide it into two. I'm going to take this and just do the same thing again. I've applied the spray already, so yeah, can I see it? Yep. And then I'm just gonna go like that. And wait. Waiting. Okay, so I think it's hot enough now. So I'm again gonna release it like this. I have my last section left and I'll just go and do the same thing. Okay, it's hot enough and a good time to release it. Ta-da, it's done. So I'm just going to go ahead with the same method in this area below this section. Okay, now we are not done yet. You can say bye-bye to the tongs. We are done with this. Now we'll start using the hair straightener. So the idea of this entire look is to have like really voluminous curls and have your hair completely straight in the front. Okay, so now we'll start with the next part of hairstyling. I've opened the section that I had made earlier, and again I'm just going to divide it into two parts so that it's just simpler. I normally just section with my hairbands. I find it a lot easier. Now these are the flicks or bangs or whatever you like to call them. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take the heat protection spray and just spray it. Most girls know how to use the hair straightener, so I don't have to show anything here. I'm just gonna go with my straightener and straighten it out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other section. I'm going to spray a little bit and straighten it out. Now guess what? I'm done. It's that quick. Now this is my traditional comb. It's not a very fancy one. All I'm going to do is just comb my hair like this and just open up the curls. Like this. And I will just, can you see, just flip it this way and just comb them out this way. Now once this is done, I'm going to take this hair styling spray. Just comb them a little bit. And you can just partition your hair the way you'd like them. I like a side parting in this. I'm going to take my spray and just spray all over. Now this hairstyle looks really good if you have long hair, because you get like, you know, this much section of curls and like this much length of your hair remains straight. My hair are not that long right now. I went for a trim last week and I got rid of all my dead edges. So yeah, I don't have great length right now, but yeah, if you have long hair, you can definitely try this. It'll look great. So generally when I go out these days and if I have the time, actually this look doesn't take too much time, but yeah, if I feel like it, I go ahead with this look. I don't know how much of it can you see in the video. I will be posting pictures in this video itself and also on my Instagram handle so that you get an idea of how it looks up close and personal. And yeah, please do let me know your thoughts, and do try this technique at home, see if it works for you, and let me know in the comment section below if you like it. And of course, do subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram handle. My handle is @Deepika_Kanungo. And goodbye, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you soon.